Hey guys, so I just want to talk about how to get an internship. For me personally, when I was in college, an internship was part of the curriculum. So we had to, go work for a company for 3 months, and that accumulated to our final mark. So each student had to work for a different company. So I was privileged to work with a good company, and I got some experience, and we worked on a project, which was pretty sweet. And so that's one way to get an internship. Not only that, is that you can go on sites like the Design Kits and Shillington College. They're based in Australia and America, and Shillington is a global college as well, which is pretty cool. But what happens is they have a lot of jobs and internships on their job board. So you can look around for internships, which is pretty cool. And, no matter where you are, but mainly if you're in Australia, then you probably have more of a chance finding similar ones. But I'm sure there's plenty other colleges that you go to around the world that has internships laying around. Another good thing is that if you're in design college, you want to ask your teachers or your mentors. So talk to them, build a relationship with them, because most likely they will offer you an internship, especially if you're a good student and they know your work ethic and your technical skills, and you're enthusiastic and you want to take initiation and you want to go the extra mile, then they'll see that and recognize that, and they'll bring you on board. So it's really important that you get an internship. And the reason why internships are good is because you get a feel for the studio life, for the design type of style they work with, and the processes of the business. And it's going to help you later on if you're going to go freelance or work in an agency. So it's really good to get an internship because it's the fastest way to gain quick experience. Not only that, but you have a chance to see, what you're actually going to be doing as a designer, and what type of design do you like to do, like doing print or digital work. And it helps you explore those different areas. And not only that, but you have a chance to actually speak to the creative directors, or the head of the studio, or whoever you're working with, and you get to ask questions, and that's the quickest way to learn. So if you're struggling with something, or how to get better at strategy or ideas, or something you don't know, technical skills in Illustrator, you can talk to them and ask them, and it's really going to benefit you. So internships are really good. So put in effort, take the initiative. Also, you want to make sure, especially if you're going to an interview or an internship for the first time, you want to present yourself well. So dress well, be prepared, have your notebooks and USB handy. That's really good, or an iPad so you can display the work, or they can give you something so you can take home. So always be prepared, be ready, don't be sloppy, and show yourself as a professional, because that can lead to more opportunities down the road. Especially if it's a large studio, then later on that they may actually pay you for a bit. For me, when I did an internship, and then eventually the creative director liked me, and I came in extra few days, and they're paying me a couple $100, just to work, and it was chilled and it was awesome. I was making money, so I started coming a few extra days, and then what happened? She left that design studio, and then she went to another one, and she told the director there, and then I came there for a couple months to do some branding work. So I was working as a junior freelancer, which was pretty cool. So I was making some money, I was learning, and it was cool. I got to chill in this awesome studio in Surrey Hills, which is a place near the city if you're in Australia. And it was awesome. I had awesome decorations. It was high ceilings, and it was just cool vibes, and I loved it. So it was awesome. But yeah, so internships are important. Don't neglect it, and be actively seeking and get as much experience as you can. Even though if it's not paid, that's totally cool. Just jump on board, and that's the quickest way to learn.